can make money. I can make money. I can make money from the comfort of my home. So much drive, so much drive, so much drive. Now I got to work. I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, now I gotta get a chauffeur. One day I'll be big, but I know I'm getting closer. Baby Denzel, aka Big O. The world in my hands, cause I took it off the show. Money on my feet, you know I got the shit from Lowe's. I'm living like right when you see them on the poster. Like, yeah, they got that different in my holster. Fuck around and catch a hot on to your ain't shit changed, put the number on my front. Go around and catch a hot on to your got a new chain, what you think?
So yeah, I know that's right. I got clean up like a motherfucker when I get back on y'all mind, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all some shirts and shit though real quick. Check them out, Tom. Hey y'all, boy. This is my the number one member right here. You join my dog, join the membership. Y'all should join the membership too. Check them out. I just get these in yesterday. Nice, Sam. Got the little collar and shit. It's navy blue right here. And yeah, this for the Marvel we keep talking about. Yeah, I don't want no graphic tee. I don't want no graphic tee. Alright, cool. You don't gotta do the graphic tee thing. Look, I done up the game. I got the collar shirts on deck. You know what I'm saying? What color you need? What color you need? Got red, navy blue. Got this pink salmon color. Got the powder blue. You know what I'm saying? Got that Carolina blue. You know. I got some female shirts coming in too. Some the same female shirts with the collar, but they contoured to a female body and shit. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this right here yet, but I like it. So yeah. Yeah, you the red one? What size you was? What size you was? This gonna be all my Geechee Bo shit right here. Let me see if I can find one for you. Yeah, one of these right here. Which one? Which one you think go with that best? Well, not really this one right here. This kind of messed up. Um, see, I got some more shit right here too. I need to do white, huh? Which one you fucking with on the red on the red? Which one you fucking with?